When it comes to noise cancellation, the Sony WH-1000XM2 are some of the best you can buy. I put them through a varied assault course including excited cafe chatter, rattling train carriages, roadworks with pneumatic drills and speakers blasting plain engine noises. The 1000XM2 dialed all that down to a whisper. They're not quite as deadly silent as the Bose QuietComfort 35-2, but it's not a huge difference, and they're more effective than the B&W PX. I could, and did, fall asleep listening to these headphones on a train. It's not just the effective noise cancellation that impresses me, it's the smart element that Sony has introduced. The headphone app works with the accelerometers in your phone to determine whether you're at rest, in motion, or in transit, and the levels of noise cancellation really do change accordingly.